Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Windows 11 hanging and slow problem. Let's fix it guys. First up, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and disable unnecessary apps by right click on them and select Disable option. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Same step, you just need to go to Search menu and type Settings. Click on Open it. On left side, select Apps. On right side, select Installed Apps. You just need to remove apps you don't use just by click on three dot icon next to it and select uninstall option. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type a disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select here C drive and select OK and check mark all these boxes listed over here and select OK option and select delete files. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type virus and threat protection. Click on open it. Select the scan options and select a full scan and select the scan now option, and it will be scanning in background. Just to minimize it. Fifth step, you just need to update Windows and drivers. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After getting done, just to close stuff here. And now you just need to update your drivers guys. To do this, open up driver booster software. This is totally free to use. Select the scan option. This will scan for all update drivers. In my case, I already updated all my drivers, as you can see, up to date. Everything is updated in my case. You can able to see option update all. Select it and update all their drivers guys. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Go to advanced tab under performance, select settings. Check this adjust for best performance and check mark this smooth edges of screen fonts and select apply and OK for changes. The final step, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Again, same thing sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Go to advanced tab under performance, select settings. Go to advanced tab under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, select the C drive and select custom size. And now check my video description for this installers value and maximum value. Now you just need to know how much RAM installed on a PC. To know that, go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In here you can able to see your physical memory. In my case, a total of 8 GB. After knowing that, just to close stuff here, just need to copy the values depends on your RAM. In my case, 8 GB, so I'm copying and pasting in the installer size. Same thing for maximum size, copy the value depends on the RAM and paste it in the maximum size and select the set option. The value should be set in here and select click on OK and select a plain OK and OK. Select the restart of now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your Windows 11 hang and slow problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.